Hello everybody, as you know, Instagram has just rolled out a new feature called Instagram TV or IGTV. Everybody can start a channel on IGTV as long as you have an Instagram account. In this video, I will show you how to start your own channel on Instagram or on IGTV in fact. Okay, let's start by tapping on Instagram icon. Okay, Instagram is on. Now, as you can see on top right hand corner, there are two icons, one paper plane icon and a TV icon. Let's tap on TV icon. Okay, TV icon takes us to IGTV. Says welcome. Okay, I will say watch now. But in fact, I don't want to watch any video now. I want to start my own channel. Okay, in the middle section on right hand side, you can see a gear icon. I will tap on gear icon. Okay, now it says create channel. Now I will say just next. Okay, it says share longer videos. Previously, as you know, you could only share 1 minute long videos, but on IGTV you can share videos as much as 10 minutes. For some users, they say that they will roll out up to 1 hour, but for now it's up to 10 minutes. Okay, now let's tap on next again. It says built for vertical. It's an important issue. IGTV is built for vertical videos because the natural natural holding of the phone is vertical. Therefore, your videos have to be vertical. You can, of course, broadcast horizontal videos also, but you have to rotate your phone. But yeah, they recommend vertical videos. Now let's say create channel. Okay, that's very easy. Now you created your channel. You can say view your channel. I'll tap on view channel, and if you want to add a video, you should tap on plus icon on the middle right hand side. And that's all. Have a great day. Now you have your own channel on IGTV.